Hi everyone, today we're going to be working on the dash and also putting a little bling on the car. Hi everyone and welcome to the channel about kit cars and other car topics. If you like what you see, please subscribe and hit the notification buttons below and share with others on social media. And in case you don't know, you need to be logged into your YouTube account so when you hit the subscription button, it actually works. So today we're going to be working on the dash, and you know, I've been waiting a long time to kind of get this dash dialed in just because, as I mentioned many times, there's so many things that depend on other things that I'm like, well, where's the PCM going to be mounted behind the dash? Are the gauges going to run into it? Where's the HVAC hose going to go? Where's the key going to go? Like, you know, all these different things you have to figure out. And then once you figure it out, then you could start dialing it in and locking in. And sometimes you just got to pick one and make a choice and then live with it and work everything else around it. And so that's what I'm going to be doing today. But also, I bought a little extra bling from Eddie Motorsports, and so we're going to get a new battery holder, and I'm going to try to mock that up and bail on the old one that came with the car, just to have a little extra something on the car. So let's check it out, go from there. Well, this is one of those days where I actually feel like I accomplished something, and believe me, that doesn't happen that much through this process. One of the things that happened is when I was drilling out the holes for the dash, for the gauges, you know, I still had to round out, or, you know, I guess round out the holes, I guess is what you would call it, by sanding it by hand. And that's a really delicate situation because there's like barely a millimeter of lip on those gauges. And so if you sand it just a little bit too much, boom, that gauge is not going to fit anymore. It's just going to fall right through. However, I also know that once this thing's painted, that paint's going to add extra, you know, filling, if you will, that will get to that gauge. And so I'm not sure if this is one of those things where you leave the gauge edges, you know, taped off so there's not paint there, or does that cause the paint to be susceptible to chipping too easy? Or once the gauge is on there and clamped on, it ain't gonna chip anyway, so you don't have to worry about it. So there's all these little things that I actually don't know, and that I'll have to, you know, throw these questions by some of my painting guys and see, you know, what they've done in the past. And then from there, but right now the gauges do fit. I finally got it to where they just fit and they slide through. But I didn't want to go any further, just out of caution. So today's been a great day. Can't wait to the next videos. There's going to be definitely some momentum moving on.